What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to create Google Form survey questionnaire. So let's get right into it. Head over to your web browser and search for Google Forms. And then go to Google Forms. Once you're there, just tap on Go to Forms. From here, you can just go to tap on Blank Form. And here you have to just give your description of what about the form is, and then just add any question you want and add their options, or you can also make it as a text box or others. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Once you do it, just tap on send, and then you will get responses in here. And yeah, you can also change the settings in here. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.